Last Monday, I was drowning in work. As in Miss Officer and Sharia, my weekdays are packed. Dashboards, reports, last-minute emails, urgent Excel fixes, and calls from 5 different departments. I barely had time to eat, let alone work on my side projects. But this week, something changed. I started using AI tools, not just for fun, but as real assistants. And they saved me over 5 hours. Here's how. On Tuesday, my manager asked me to summarize a 25-slide report into a 1-page executive brief. Normally this takes me over an hour, but this time I copied the content and pasted it into Chat. I typed summarize this in 5 bullet points for a manager, done in seconds, clear, professional, ready to go. Next, I had to prepare a presentation. I hate design, but I discovered Tome.app, an AI presentation maker. Then I had to clean up a messy Excel file from another team. Normally I would spend 30 to 45 minutes fixing inconsistent formats and naming errors. But this time I copied the messy data into Excel, plus Chat combo, and I asked, generate a formula to remove extra spaces. Fix case and clean text, boom, clean in one go. Even emails, I usually spend 10 to 15 minutes writing replies with Flowrite or Chat. I just type apology email for delay in report submission and it generates a polite, professional message I can tweak in seconds. And for content planning for my YouTube channel, Notion AI helped me create a week's video outline in 10 minutes. By the end of the week, I looked at the clock and realized I had time left. Time to think, breathe, maybe even dream again. It didn't replace me, it freed me from repetition, from burnout, from wasting energy. So if you're working hard every day, barely keeping up, let AI work with you. These tools saved me 5 hours this week. Imagine what they could do for you.